guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are doing a Starbucks video, which you guys know are my favorites. And today we're trying out all the spring Starbucks drinks that just launched. And by just launched, I mean just launched like a week ago, but mom life. This is the first time that I've been able to film. So here we are, we're finally trying them. So I'm really excited. So these are all the drinks. We've got 4 drinks here, 2 really pretty colorful spring ones, and then 2 they're coffee colored. So it's still fun. I'm sure they'll taste great. I'm excited. So let's get right into it. All right, so I have to interrupt this video with a point that has nothing to do with coffee or Starbucks at all, or anything to do with this video. But I have to point out my shirt, which you can't really even see on camera, but I'm gonna show you a better look. So it's the Muses from Hercules. And just by wearing the shirt this morning, I inspired my daughter to want to watch Hercules, which is one of my favorite animated Disney movies from my childhood. And so I feel like the best mom ever right now, so winning. All right, back to the video. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try is the ice cloud. No, what is it? What is it called? This is the ice caramel cloud macchiato. So the Starbucks app says our cloud macchiato is light and airy with layers of fluffy foam, cascading espresso, vanilla flavored syrup, and a drizzle of caramel served. I can't read, and a drizzle of caramel served over ice. It's a whole new way to love your macchiato. So if you guys don't already know, the ice caramel macchiato is usually like my go-to drink in the spring. So I'm excited to try the cloud macchiato. What is it? Caramel cloud. I'm excited to try the caramel cloud macchiato. Now some of the cloud has melted, I guess, in here. So hopefully it still tastes the same. Let's give it a try. I have high hopes for this one, so I probably should have saved it for the last, but whatever, we're gonna drink it first. It's interesting because it tastes like a caramel macchiato but with meringue in it. Like that's what it tastes like. And I know on the app it said something about it contains egg. Like I think it has egg whites in it if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. And it literally tastes like you melted like a meringue cookie in your caramel macchiato. I'm not mad at it, but I will probably stick to my regular macchiato. I'm gonna give this one like a 7 out of 10 because it's still a caramel macchiato and I still love that taste. I'm not a huge meringue person myself, so I think that's what's throwing me off a little bit. But if you really like meringues and you like meringue cookies and you like caramel macchiatos, then they made this for you. So go ahead and get you one. Okay, next up is this fun green colored one, very appropriate for St. Patrick's Day coming up in a couple of days. So this is the pineapple matcha drink. Now, I'm a little bit nervous because I've never tried matcha before ever, and I heard somebody say that it tastes like grass, and that's really concerning for me because I don't like grass. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try. I love pineapple, so I think that's why I thought this should be my first matcha drink that I try, because I'm hoping that if it does taste like grass, that the pineapple will kind of counteract and work some pineapple magic there. So we're gonna find out. So the description of this one says, our premium matcha green tea shaken with flavors of pineapple and ginger, along with coconut milk and ice for a delicious beverage to uplift your day. That sounds delightful. So let's see if this is gonna uplift my day. Oh, okay. Okay, so first of all, doesn't taste like grass, so I appreciate that. Now, I've never tried other matcha drinks. Maybe they taste like grass. I don't know. The coconut milk flavor really comes out, and like a little hint of pineapple. I taste a little in there, which is good. I like this. It's very refreshing. I feel like maybe I've been missing out on matcha all this time, and I had no idea that I actually kind of like it. Like it's not like a bold flavor, which I kind of like every now and then. You don't want something super bold and like in your face. And I don't know if this is healthy. I have not looked at the nutrition facts, but it tastes like it would be like a healthier drink. So that's chill. I like that. I like this. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. This is delicious. Like I feel like I'm making healthy choices by drinking this. That could be totally wrong. Again, don't quote me on that. But it tastes really good. Like I actually really enjoy this, and I was very nervous and skeptical about it. And so I'm glad that I tried it for myself, and I highly recommend you guys try this too. All right, so next up we are trying the Nitro Cold Brew with salted honey cold foam, which sounds really good. I've only tried the Nitro Cold Brew one time, and it was like a sample. I was just out of Starbucks and they were giving out little cups of the Nitro Cold Brew when it first came out. So I've never tried a full cup of it, but I remember kind of liking it, which is unusual for me because it's not super, super sweet. And normally I gravitate towards the super sweet drinks. But I remember when I drank it, I was like, huh, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I could drink this again. So let's see, because salted honey cold foam sounds delicious. So if I liked the Nitro Cold Brew on its own, imagine what the salted honey cold foam is going to do. So the description says, Starbucks Nitro Cold Foam topped with salted honey cold foam and a strike of toasted honey topping. I do see the toasted honey. I don't know. You can't really see it. That's fine. The stripe is there. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. A strike of toasted honey topping. It is indeed there. So let's give it a try. I feel like my facial reaction just now was too much. It's not bad. So here's my thing. Again, I gravitate towards super, super sweet fruity drinks is like my natural go-to. This tastes more like black coffee with like a little flavoring in it. But that being said, it's not bad. Ooh, hold up. That little aftertaste is good. Like a little honey aftertaste in it. Let me reevaluate my thoughts. That was really delicious. The honey like lingers, and that's really good. I'd like that. Okay, I'm gonna give this one, I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. I feel like it's really good. I don't think it's something I would drink on a regular basis just because I don't really naturally like cold brew. It tastes too much like coffee for me. I know. Coffee drinker, doesn't like the taste of coffee. But if I did have to drink a cold brew, it would be this one because I like that honey, the little honey taste. Yeah, like if I had to taste like a coffee without like a ton of creamer, this would be like my go-to. I would never ever do like straight black coffee with like a packet of sugar or some shit. Like, you will never see me doing that ever. Ever. You can quote me on that. But a cold brew, I could do a cold brew. If it had the honey, the foam, I could do this again. Okay, and last but not least, we have this little Sunshine Golden Ginger drink. This one, I think I was like the second most excited about. I was most excited about the green one, but I'm also excited about the yellow one because it's so pretty, and it looks like a cup of sunshine. So I hope it's delicious. We're gonna shake it up a little bit because it looks like it's got like stuff at the bottom, and I don't know if I should be drinking the stuff at the bottom. Okay, the description online says, our golden ginger blend with turmeric essence shaken with flavors of pineapple and ginger, coconut milk and ice for a delicious beverage to lift up your day. So the green drink and the yellow drink are both supposed to lift up your day. So, I mean, it literally looks like sunshine, so that makes me really happy. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know if I like turmeric. I can't like picture what that flavor tastes like in my mind, so I don't know. But we're gonna go into it with open mind because it looks like sunshine, and that's very happy and springy. I love that, so let's give it a go. Whoa. That ginger smacks you in the face though. Like, I'm not mad at it. But like, they should just call this, I mean, I guess it's called the golden ginger drink, so they told no lies on that one. How do I feel about this? It's interesting. I think, one, I don't really taste the pineapple. It said it has pineapple, right? I'm not making that up. Yeah, it says pineapple and ginger. I don't taste the pineapple like at all. It's like super strong on the ginger. So if you like ginger, get you a cup of this. Get it, because it is ginger. I don't know that that's necessarily like bad. It's really strong ginger, and I I think my issue is that it doesn't taste like what I thought it was going to taste like based on the look, which is why you should never judge a book by its cover, because the inside could be completely different. Yeah, so like it's not bad, it just wasn't what I expected it to taste like. I think I was expecting more of a pineapple flavor, but it is called golden ginger, so like not really sure why I expected that. That being said, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10, along the same lines as the Cloud Caramel Macchiato, because I feel like it's okay. I would probably never get this again. I am gonna still drink the rest of this because it's still good, it's just not great. So that's how I feel about it. Yeah, I just don't know that I like drinking that strong of a ginger flavor for me. But similar to the green drink, I feel like this tastes like a healthy drink, which is nice. I mean, I do like feeling semi-healthy. Again, I have no idea if it's actually healthy. But sometimes I'm okay with feeling like I'm healthy, even if it's not healthy. You know, that placebo effect. I feel like that's, you know, sometimes we need that. Sometimes we need to feel like we're doing something good, even though it's mediocre, you know? I don't know what I'm saying. Stop talking, Aria. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me taste test all of these new Starbucks spring drinks that came out. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these drinks and what you thought. And be sure to like and subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!